eat sushi, but a dragon roll, I ain't never heard. This is eel. That's eel on top of here. All right, let's go. It's slimy. It's slime. Hold up. Oh my God. This is some slimy shit, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's go. That's it. That's the dragon roll. All right. Off the top, you don't really taste whatever this eel is supposed to taste like. You literally just taste sushi. You taste what's in there? Crab, cucumber, avocado. You literally just taste that. You don't really taste the eel. So I don't really know what the eel tastes like per se, but I like it. I probably wouldn't buy it again. Nope. On that bite, I taste the eel. Alright. It's like kind of fishy. Well, no, you know what? Let's taste this. Let's taste this eel. Let's just taste this eel. Let's see what this tastes like. See, that's the eel right there. Let's just taste it. See?